Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save directly to camera roll from Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. First, you will be needing to start a new project or you can continue working on your current project. In my case, I'm just going to click on the plus sign and from there we can simply choose any clip from it. So here I'm just going to stick with this one and click on the done icon or apply. So here it will take us to the editing panel and from here you will be able to start editing on your clips. After that you can start modifying, adding anything. Here I have some text. You can uh, choose the speed or customize or set up the speed of your video, add some green screen. That means you can uh, have some video on top of your clips. You can delete, adjust. You can also start adding some voiceover, creating some text, etc. At the end, after you finish, you will be needing to simply export your clip or your project, and that will automatically save it to the roll or to your camera roll. And let's do something unique on this video. And I'm just going to have some video, and let's just name it camera roll. And here we have it, and click on done. And now let's just export it. And as you can see, after it finish processing, it will save it automatically to uh, the camera roll. So let's just click on export, and here when it finishes processing our video, it will say that it will be automatically saved to the camera roll, and by that you will be able to find it in your gallery. So here the videos made with edits are optimized for high quality playback on Instagram, and this video was saved to your camera roll. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.